Hey everyone, welcome back today. We're diving into WeChat, one of the most powerful messaging apps in the world. If you want to connect seamlessly with friends and colleagues, you need this app. Let's jump right into the installation setup. Open your App Store. Search WeChat in the Play Store and install it. Now sign up your account. Fill in your details. Explore the main interface. WeChat features. Connect instantly with contacts by sending texts, voice notes, photos, or making video calls. Share your life through updates and photos with friends. Use features like scanning QR codes, meeting new people, and accessing many programs for extra convenience. Take control of your profile settings and wallet all in one place. Pro tips: leverage WeChat Pay for quick and hassle-free transactions. Activate Face ID or Touch ID to enhance your security. Explore mini programs for services ranging from food delivery to travel bookings. Customize your chat background and notifications to personalize your experience. Now you're equipped to use WeChat like a pro. Stay updated with all our latest tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.